If you retire or move to Spain before you are of pensionable age, you do need private healthcare. True or false?
That's true. So what we always advise UK nationals who are thinking of moving out to Spain is that they thoroughly check the visa and immigration requirements before coming to Spain, before travelling out. They'll be able to inform you of all of the other documents that you need to present in order to get the visa, which allows you to enter the country as a new resident. In terms of somebody who's coming out who hasn't worked in Spain and who isn't planning on working, but isn't yet pensionable age, the short answer is yes, you do need private health insurance, because part of the process for applying for your visa and entering Spain as a new resident is that you show that you have proof of healthcare cover, so that you are in effect not a burden to the Spanish system, so that you're self-sufficient and can cover yourself for your healthcare needs, because you won't be contributing into the system, say as a worker or a pensioner.
Okay.
So,
and if you're staying there longer term through whatever visa arrangements might be available, is there a route to joining the Spanish healthcare system at some point?
Yeah, so there are different access routes to healthcare in Spain, and it very much depends on your circumstances. So say you moved out and you decided that at some point you wanted to work, then you would be making social security contributions, and at that point you would be entitled to healthcare. I should add that you should check that you've got the right documentation to be able to work in the first place. There's another system which is the voluntary pay-in system. So that's called the Convenio Especial. And that's an agreement whereby you make monthly payments. But there is eligibility requirements for that. So you can't just choose to pay into that system automatically. You have to have been registered with your town hall for a minimum of 12 months and lived in Spain continuously during that time. So that's another option to access healthcare system. If in the future, if you're entitled to a UK pension, then you will be able to apply for your S1 form at a later date, and the same reciprocal healthcare entitlement is there for you once you start claiming your pension.